General knowledge. Common fruits: apple, mango, pineapple, bananas, orange, watermelon. Common vegetables: potato, onion, tomato, radish, ladyfinger, peach. Domestic and pet animals: dog, cat, cow, sheep, goat, donkey. Wild animals: lion, tiger, leopard, elephant, zebra, giraffe. Common birds: crow, sparrow, duck, parrot, hen, pigeon. Common flowers: rose, lotus, lily, jasmine, sunflower, tulip. Common shapes: circle, square, rectangle, triangle, semicircle, hexagon. Common colors: red, blue, yellow, green, violet, orange. Common insects: housefly, cockroach, butterfly, mosquito, and spider. Seasons: summer season, winter season, rainy season. Day of the week: there are 7 days in a week. There are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Months of the year: there are 12 months in a year. There are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.